Good morning. So today, Naomi and Wisdom made chili for lunch, and they surprised me by making a video of it. So I have edited it to the best of my abilities, and I am posting it. It was delicious, and the children used some of the tortillas that we made yesterday to make it even tastier. So we had you had chili or soup available. We do have one child that cannot do tomatoes, so we try to have two meals on days like that. And then everybody benefits because they get to choose what they want. Um, Chili was very welcome this cold snap that we're in right now. So it was really a very welcome thing, and they did fabulous on it. I was pretty impressed. A lot of different beans, which I love bean variety. Yeah, it was good. And I'm going to let their normal noises while they're making it be in here, just to give you some real life of it.
You could set up the router.
I need
Just look across, mainly did the section on the board.
open now. Come anything. Yeah. There we go. Now I need this. Wait, show this. I will. Just a minute.
Can you just tell me real fast?
No.
Okay.
Here.
Lilley, is the bottle of your soap gone?
Yes. Let me give me one.
He's not here. Tell Joelle that we're
No.
ready.
Go tell Joelle that they're ready for their food.
I'll show you.
But
This was such a treat. I wasn't able to cook today or help with cooking because I was trying to get orders out. So it was such a blessing to just have food handed to us. Have a great night. We'll talk to you later. Bye.